This video is one of two of a basic abdominal and thoracic breather primer, and this comes out of Jill Miller's The Role Model book, page 159. So the first move that you're going to do is you're going to lie on your back and you're going to practice deep abdominal breathing. I'm just going to run through it a couple of times, but on your own you're going to run through about 10 breaths. So lying on your back, put your hands on your belly. And with the inhale, you're going to allow your lower abdomen to balloon and to push into your hands. Then on the exhale, you're going to allow your belly to completely soften and melt your low back into the ground, like so. Again. Now, for the second move, you're going to do the same action with your breath, but you're going to be face down with the Coregeous ball underneath your abdomen. Now, you will notice that my ball is only about 60% inflated, and that gives me a little bit more give. It makes it a little less hard of a pressure into my abdomen. So I'm going to locate the belly directly at my navel, and I'm going to lie down flat onto it. And I'm going to allow myself to completely collapse and let go onto it. If it's too much pressure for you and you feel like you're gripping to go onto it, give yourself a bolster to rest your head and shoulders on. Because the idea is to completely let go of your back muscles, your glutes, your legs, your shoulders, and your back. And breathe in deeply, pushing against that ball. And then with the exhale, completely letting go of any tension, and the ball is going to sink into your belly. Inhaling. Exhaling. And again. Exhale. These next three moves are all thoracic breathing exercises. So the first one, you're going to be lying on your back. Place your hands on your rib cage with your thumbs pointing back and your fingertips pointing forward. And you're going to push firmly and as evenly as possible into your rib cage towards the midline. Then with this pressure, you're going to actively breathe into your rib cage against that pressure. And like so. You're going to inhale. And exhale. Allowing your hands to come back together. And then inhale again, hands come apart. Exhale, allow the hands to come back together. And on your own, you can repeat that 10 times. The next move is going to be with the Coregeous ball, and you're going to place it on your sternum. You've got a bone from here to here, and that's in the center of your rib cage. That's called your sternum, and you're going to place the ball on your sternum. Actually, you're going to place your sternum on the ball. If you have to adjust yourself, ladies, to get on the ball, to get as much contact as possible, do that. And again, like the belly one, you want to allow everything to drape and completely let go on that ball. And And then with the inhale, you're gonna push your sternum and your rib cage into the ball, creating some resistance, stretching your intercostal muscles against the resistance of the ball. And with the exhale, you're gonna allow everything to collapse and relax down into that ball. Like so, inhaling. And exhaling. And again, inhaling. And exhaling. This last exercise is the final of the thoracic breathing exercises with the Coregeous ball. This time though, you are going to place the Coregeous ball in between your shoulder blades and lie back on it so that your upper thoracic is on that Coregeous ball. Now, if your neck is too stiff to allow you to completely let go, you can put a block, a pillow, whatever you need under your head to allow your neck muscles to completely let go, because these also connect into your breathing muscles. And here, again, you want to breathe into that resistance in the ball in the back. And then with the exhale, you want your rib cage and your back muscles to drape and completely let go onto the ball. Like so. Inhaling. And exhaling. Again, I'm going to let go of my neck muscles. Inhaling.